I'm Mike Arbour. I have two roles at Sedgwick. The first is I'm the Chief Executive Officer of the Vericlaim family of companies. And the second is I'm the president of Sedgwick's new international division. At Vericlaim, we're in four principal lines of business. The first is we're one of the leading property loss adjusting firms in the United States. Secondly, we're the largest marine cargo firm in the U.S., handling marine transit claims and cargo claims. Thirdly, we also do specialty TPA programs, principally out of the London market, mostly property and liability. And lastly, through our subsidiary company, Unified Investigations and Sciences, we're one of the largest cause and origin and forensic engineering firms in the U.S. Vericlaim's products and services benefit Sedgwick's clients and corporate clients really in three principal ways. The first and probably the most important thing is when you look at corporations in America today and look at the two primary assets that corporations have in their businesses today are their people and their physical assets, the stores, their plants, their inventory, their raw materials, their profits, the physical places they do business, and the equipment it takes to do business. And Vericlaim benefits Sedgwick's clients and corporations in general by protecting that second class of assets. Sedgwick's TPA business today is the finest firm on the planet when it comes to taking care of colleagues and employees and people that work for its clients. Vericlaim focuses on taking care of and helping corporations deal with claims they have in the first party arena to their property, their business profits, and the things they own. So we take care of property loss adjusting for physical plants, business income, and also the property that they own. And the principal benefits that companies derive from using Vericlaim in that regard is it gets them back into business faster. So when there's an event, a tornado, a hurricane, or anything else that interrupts someone's business or damages their physical plant, Vericlaim adjusters are on the ground as quickly as they can get there to help get corporations back in business and help them recover their funds from their insurance programs and policies that they're owed when they have a major loss. The primary innovation that our customers and our colleagues are after today deals less with what we would consider technical innovation and technology development and more about speed. What clients are demanding today from us is speed in two regards. The first is faster flow of information, and the second is the faster flow of money or funds. So when a corporation has a large property claim or any property claim, the two things they want to have happen as quickly as possible is they want to understand it and what it means for their business, what it means for their employees, what it means for their customers. And they want to understand the scope of the damage, the amount of the damage, what the impact on their business is going to be as quickly as possible. The second thing they want to do is when it comes to collecting funds from their insurance policy, they want cash to move as quickly as possible. And so from a Vericlaim standpoint, what that means is we've got to find creative and innovative ways to deliver speed for our clients and their constituents. And that takes the form of technological advancements like satellite imagery, drone technology, video and audio streaming of live loss scenes at the location, automation of tasks and automation of estimating procedures, and all those kinds of things designed to deliver a faster flow of information and a faster flow of funds. I think the principal way our work is going to evolve in the future deals with our own internal efforts to revolutionize or change in a meaningful way the loss adjusting process itself. For the last 85 or 90 years, loss adjusting work has all been done about the same way. A claim comes in, an adjuster gets assigned the claim, they head out to the field, they scope the loss, they look at things, they write a report, and report back to the insurance companies and carrier markets and the self-insured corporations, whoever's involved, and that's kind of how the process goes. It is a relatively inefficient process. It is a highly manual process. And I think from an evolution standpoint, as we look for growth and as we look to expand our position in the marketplace, one of the key things for us is going to be redesigning the entire flow of work so that we can take inefficiency out of the system, so that we can bring a faster speed of information flow and speed of funds flow, and bring a greater level of efficiency to the entire claims process. I think a big part of that is going to be changing the way carrier claims departments and internal corporate claims departments triage the claims process today. Loss adjusting is really just one piece of the puzzle today, and I think as we look at evolving in the future and providing more value to clients, there are a couple of key areas that we focused on. The first is how can we, as part of the loss adjusting process, triage claims better and help companies and carriers triage claims in a better way so that a portion of claims can be self-collaborated on with the insureds. We can use contractor networks to replace or mitigate some of the loss adjusting process itself. And finally, we can look at the entire workflow process itself, and we've created something that we call one and done at Vericlaim, which is what we believe to be the next evolutionary step of loss adjusting, where we automate workflow processes, task specialize certain portions of the loss adjusting process, and take a bunch of inefficiency and workflow out of the claims process so that we can do it faster, cheaper, and better than anyone else. I think the principal areas and opportunities for growth for Vericlaim as part of the Sedgwick family as we look forward are in the international arena and in the carrier outsourcing arena. And as we look at the global market today, Vericlaim and Sedgwick have dominant positions in the U.S. market, and we have multinational clients with operations all over the globe, business needs to protect their assets, their people, their production, their physical plants and operations. And I think Sedgwick and Vericlaim together need to think strategically about where we need to be globally, whether it's emerging markets or established, more mature markets, to be able to provide claims services and help our clients stay efficient and stay in business. I think the second area of growth for us is carrier outsourcing. Today, insurance companies handle most of their claims in-house and sporadically use outside vendors and suppliers like Sedgwick and like Vericlaim to assist in their claims handling process. Our vision of the future, which involves a much more efficient, much faster, and much lower cost claims solution, could be extremely beneficial to carrier clients as they think about what's really core in their operations, which is taking care of their clients when claims happen.